Good evening, Riya and Tanishka.
Good evening, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Recording in progress.
Shall we get started? Riya, Tanishka.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So math test paper discussion part 2. Listen. So what is the answer for the first one? Let's have a quick discussion.
Second quadrant.
Second one, the ratio in which the line segment divides. The ratio in which the line segment joining Px1, y1 and x2, y2 is divided by the x-axis.
So is answer B, sir.
How did you get it?
I used the formula, sir.
So if I take this as m1 and m2, this point will be x comma 0, for instance. Then the y coordinate should be a 0. So m1 y2. Okay, I take m1. I'll take this as m1 and this as m2. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2 should be a 0. Why? Because the y coordinate is 0. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1 should be a 0. So what will be the answer?
Minus y1 by y2.
Option B is the right answer. Let me check. Correct. The fourth vertex D of a parallelogram ABCD whose vertices are minus 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8, 3 is. So for a
minus 1.
So how did he get it? The midpoint of AC should be equal to the midpoint of BD. So 6 by 2 should be equal to 6 plus x by 2. Cancel this. So x should be 0. Similarly, 7 by 2 should be equal to, 3 plus 3 by 2. So 3 should be equal to 7 plus y by 2, which implies y is equal to minus 1. What did you say?
Minus
0 comma minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So the centroid of a triangle, actually centroid you don't have, no?
Yeah, sir, it's deleted.
Okay, but see, if at all it comes to the exam, right? It's not a big deal. Just add all the x coordinates and divide with 3 and add by 3 and add the y coordinates and divide with 3. So answer will be
Yes, sir. I got 0,
x1
0,
plus
comma 3. 0, comma 13.
y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So answer will be 0 comma 30.
0,
0,
comma 3.
3, sir.
0 comma 3. So the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points 1 comma 5 and 4 comma 6 cuts the y-axis at
0, comma 13.
So how did he get it?
So
How did it-
bisector means it divides the line segment into two equal parts.
Okay.
So using the segment formula, I got it.
Actually, for this also mark should be awarded. You can't do this. 0 comma 13 is right, but I don't know how you got it. So tell me the steps. 1 comma 5 and 4 comma 6, for instance, if actually it should be like this. 1 comma 5, 4 comma 6. If it is like this, The perpendicular bisector to this cuts the y-axis. You cannot do this actually. Mark should be awarded.
So I saw this sum at school once, so I just knew the answer, so I put the answer.
0,13. Huh?
Yes, sir. That's what I told at school for MCQ, so I just put the answer.
But
I
did
didn't do
you
it.
marks? Did you get marks for that? Actually, this question is out of 10th itself. Not even out of syllabus. It's out of.
Not for the exam. They just told us during class, and I just remembered the
Okay.
answer.
That's fine. So 2 coins are tossed together. The probability of getting at most 1 head.
3 was
So
4.
head tail, tail head, tail tail. So at most 1 head means 3 out of 4. Sir, 25 tickets numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 25 respectively. 1 ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability that the number on the ticket is a multiple of 3 or 5?
11 by 25.
So 3, 6 like this, how many do you have? 8. 5, 10, 15, 20. Like this, how many do you have? You have 4, no? Is it not 12 by 25?
Sir, 15. 15 also comes for the 3 tables.
No, 15 is common to both, no?
Yes, sir.
15 is coming twice. Okay. But answer is given as. See, when they say 3 or 5, when a number is divisible by, they didn't say and, they told or.
So you have to add both the possibilities, right, sir?
You have to add. So answer is
So
12.
13 by 25 is the answer.
How will it be 13? Because 15 is already included.
25. So 25 is also there.
1 ticket. What is the problem?
I wrote 13 by 25.
Okay. So 1 minute, wait. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Obviously. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Actually, 25 should be. There are 21 ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability the number on the ticket is a multiple? Actually, it should be 13 by 25 only.
So we should include 15 both times.
1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But 15 is counted twice, no? That is the problem. So 15 actually should be counted only once. So what is the right answer?
12 by 25.
It is actually 12 by 25. So Ram and Shyam are friends. The probability that both will have the birthday on the same day.
So 1 by 365.
1 out of 3. That 1 day is going to be 1 day out of the 365 days, assuming it is a non-leap year. So DE is parallel to BC. DE is equal to 5 centimeter. BC is 8. AD is 3.5. Then AB is equal to how much?
5.6.
How much is it? I'm not calculating. 5 by 6, sir? 5.6.
5.6.
5.6.
Okay. So you know how to do it, no? Using Thales theorem, DPT.
Yes, sir.
So in triangle ABC and PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle R is equal to angle Q, AB is equal to 2 times QR, then the triangles are.
Neither congruent nor similar.
Why? So if I
Similar
take
but not congruent.
Because
Similar but not congruent.
ABC, I take angle B is equal to angle Q. So I take another triangle Q and R is equal to C. Here R is there. So if two angles are going to be the same, are they not similar according to AA criteria? They are not congruent because AB is 2 times QR. Correct? Huh?
Yeah, sir. So it should be similar but
but-
not congruent, right?
But they are not corresponding sides, no?
so yes, sir. That's why I said it was not similar.
No, similar they are. They are similar. Because similarity has nothing to do with the length of the side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, similarity you have AA criteria. You don't have AA criteria for congruency. Okay. So though AB is equal to 2 times PR, then the other sides will also get impacted. right? So they are similar but not congruent. That is the right answer. 10A. So in a triangle, AD is a bisector of angle BAC. AB is equal to 8, BD is equal to 6, DC is equal to 3. Then find AC. Answer.
4.
11th one, 4 is the right answer. So how to do this?
Sir, I actually got 2 centimeters. But
Okay, let's
that's
do and
not
see.
one of the
Oh, sir.
options.
So using the angle bisector theorem.
You need to use angle bisector theorem, right? So if I take this to be the bisector, the angle bisector, AB is 8, BD is 6, DC is 3, then how much is AC? So how to do that? If I take this to be X, then what should I write? 8
AB
divided by
by
8
X
by
will
X is 6 by
6
6
3.
by
by 3.
they cancel. This is 4. So X is equal to 4 centimeter. Clear? 12th one. If in triangle ABC and DEF, AB by DE is equal to BC divided by FT, then what can you say?
The angle B is equal to angle
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 B
B
and
is equal to angle.
Angle B is equal to angle
D.
D.
option D. Correct.
Yes.
So everybody got the
Yes,
logic.
sir.
Yeah, 13th one. In the given
Got 9
figure,
centimeters.
quadrilateral ABCD
9
circum
centimeters.
9. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
This similar kind of problem we discussed in the class also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So how to do this? From an external point, if you draw 2 tangents to the circle, they are going to be of equal length. Answer will be 9. 14th one. Equal circles with center O and O dash touch each other at point P. O and Q dash. Okay, I think there is a mistake here. Touch each other at P. O dash is produced to meet the circle.
So the answer is 1 by 3.
But actually, it's easy only. If you look at the diagram, you can solve it. But there is a mistake in the
Sir, it's 1 by 3, right?
So because
1
I
by
said
3
the
is right.
circles have
1
equal
by 3.
radius. So it's 1 by 3.
AT is a tangent. Okay. AT is a
Sir, the
tangent.
diagram is enough, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So O dash Q is O dash Q is perpendicular to AT, obviously. Okay, O dash Q is perpendicular to AT. This is also perpendicular. Right. Then O dash and OT are perpendicular or parallel to each other. Then AO dash divided by AO is going to be.
Sir, I have a small doubt. What does the tangent have to do with the answer?
Because it is perpendicular. No?
Sir, but it is, they have said that they're equal circles. So
Okay.
AO is the radius and
The radius,
yeah, and I mean AO dash is the radius and AO is 3 times the radius.
Yeah, that is there. See,
Sir, but I
actually,
needed to use the tangent for this.
there is nothing, no logic actually. It is only given, that's it.
Okay, sir.
Had there been the question where you they are asking you what is KQ or QT by giving you one of the parameters, then it will help you because you can apply the basic proportionality theorem. Then O dash Q will be parallel to OT.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 15th one. In the given figure, 3 circles with center ABC respectively touch each other externally. If AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and CA is 7 centimeter, then the radius of the circle with center A is.
I don't know how to solve it, so I randomly choose some option.
Answer? Anybody who could solve this? AB is given as 6. BC is given as 8 and CA is given as 7. Then the radius of the circle with center A is. Actually, they should have given the radius. Let's see. No? Let's take this diagram. See. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is CA. If I need to find this radius, if this is R, this is also R. Am I right? R, this is also R. Am I right? So how much will this be? This will it
7
not
minus R.
be 6 minus R?
6 minus R.
6 minus R. Sorry. 6 minus R.
6 minus R. So then how much will this be? This will also be 6 minus R.
6 minus R.
Then how much will this be? 8 minus of 6 minus R, which will be 2 plus R.
2 plus R.
2 plus R. Then how much will this be? 2 plus R.
2 plus R.
And this is R. So R plus 2 plus R, is it not equal to 7?
Yes, sir.
R plus, so one unknown, one equation. So 2R will be equal to 5. R will be 5 by 2, which is 2.5. That is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Did you want? It's actually a simple problem only. This is how you need to go in the cyclic pattern because the radius is the same. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10th one. Two chords PQ and RS intersect at T outside the circle. If PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and QT, where is QT? QT is 3 centimeter. TR is 2 centimeter.
So I guess it should be TR. It should be TS.
No, TR only. Then find the value of
If it's
RS.
TR, it doesn't make sense, sir. We're gonna find RS.
We'll see, no? So PQ is a chord which is extended to meet at T. So TR is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. PQ is 5 centimeter. Then find the value of RS. How to solve? First of all, what is the logic you thought of? Actually, I don't think this concept is there. This also you should get marks. So actually, there is a concept. If two chords touch each other externally at point P, then TP into TQ into TP should be equal to TR into TS. Okay, we'll get marks for this also. So let me make a note. MCQs. So what was the other question where I told marks will be awarded?
4 and 5, I guess. Sir.
That centroid one, no?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
central.
sir.
There was
And
another
the
one.
next one.
4 and 5. If you have the question paper, just make a note. 4, 5. And what is this problem? 16. No?
16.
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 16. Okay. Next. This one, we should have done it. X is equal to R sin theta cos phi, Y is equal to R sin theta sin phi, Z is equal to R cos theta. Then
Is it A, sir?
I think so. Let's do. So X square
So
will
can
be
you
equal to R.
explain this?
I am doing it. X square will be equal to R square sin square theta cos square phi. Y square is equal to R square sin square theta sin square phi. And Z is equal to R square cos square theta. Okay. So if I do X square plus Y square, I'm able to observe R square sin square theta is common. So I'll have cos square phi plus sine square phi. Plus what are we left out with? Z square will be r square cos square theta. So r square sine square theta plus this value is going to be 1 plus r square cos square theta will be equal to r square into sine square theta plus cos square theta. So r square. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Option A is the right answer. See, basically you do nothing. Square everything and add, that's it. Yeah, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Given that sine theta is equal to a by b, cos theta will be.
Sir,
If I
option
take
C.
sine theta is a by b, this will be root of b square minus a square. So cos theta will be equal to root of b square minus a square divided by b. Option A, no?
C.
Yes, sir.
B square plus or minus? Because b is hypotenuse.
Oh, yes, sir.
You would have got option C had it been tan theta in the question. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next. So in the figure, BC is 20. Where is BC? BC is 20. Height AB is 11.56. Oh, if the height is if the value BC is 20, then the height is 11.56. Is that right? What they are asking. So what will you do?
Sir,
You take
no,
tan
sir.
tan 30 will be equal to AB divided by BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB divided by BC is how much? 20. So take 20 to the other side.
20.
So 20 root 3 divided by 3. This is equal to AB. So what will you get? So 20 by 3 is 6.7 into 1.3 or 1.32. Right? If you
Sir, the
multiply
answer is
both,
12 point something.
is it so?
So, yes, sir. That's what I got.
1.73. It's coming
I took it as
11.5.
1.7.
It's coming as 11.59, but actually this problem is slightly ambiguous because it depends on where you stop this 20. Actually, this 11.56 can be taken. Okay, 11.56 can be taken because it is 6.67 into 1.732. It will be 11.55 something. So 11.56 is what we need to take. Okay, and the reason is right because tan of that particular angle is going to be perpendicular divided by base. So both are right, and the reason is the right explanation for A. In a right angle triangle, if cos theta is half, sin theta is root 3 by 2, tan theta is root 3, correct? Tan theta is sin theta by
Sir,
cos
option
theta.
A.
Yes, sir. A.
What about 21? Show that the points are collinear.
Sir, we need to prove AB plus BC is equal to AC.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir. I got AB as 7 root 5 and BC as root 5 and AC as
So
8
AC,
root
I'll
5.
do it. So 7, 49, 49 plus 49 is 7 root 2.
7 root 5, sir.
7 root 2 lower. Because square root of 49 plus 7 plus 7 is 14, 196.
196,
sorry.
that's what, sir.
Yeah. So how much are you getting? Square root of?
245, which is 7 root 5.
Okay. 7 root 5. Similarly, how much are you getting here? BC will
For
be
BC, I'm getting root 5, sir. 1 plus 4.
1 plus 4, root 5. Then what about AC?
8 root 5.
They are collinear. See, there are two ways to prove that the points are collinear. One is taking AB plus BC is equal to AC, or showing that the area of the triangle is 0, but area is again deleted. I don't know why they deleted. So bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. The ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red?
3 by 8.
Not red, obviously.
5/8.
5 by 8. Very simple problem. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So how to do this?
So we should construct OE parallel to CD.
One minute. So I'm just drawing something like this. A, B, C, D, E, C, and B, D intersect at point O. Such that AO
Sir,
by, okay, you took,
I took ABCD A was bottom left and I went anti-clockwise.
like this.
No, sir, A
Right.
was bottom.
Okay.
AB was
What?
bottom and CD was top.
Okay, anything is same. A, B, C, D. Want to take it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what are we supposed to do?
So I took OE and I joined it to BC parallel to CD.
Parallel to CD. Okay.
So in triangle BDC,
In
OB
triangle
by
BDC. Okay, in triangle BDC.
OB by OD equal to BE
O
by
by
CE.
OD is equal to BE by CE.
CE.
Similarly, in triangle,
And I got AO. And
no,
since
which is
AO
the
by
triangle?
BO equal to CO by DO
So they have given it.
that's given. So I interchange it like AO by CO equal to BO by DO.
BO by DO will be equal to AO by CO. So since you
Yes,
got
sir.
AO by CO, you can use the converse of the basic proportionality theorem and say that OE
If
is
OE
parallel
is
to,
parallel to AB.
when you say OE is parallel to AB, then what can you say?
AB is parallel to CD, and so ABCD is trapezium.
Concept trapezium. I hope everybody understood. Show that the tangent lines at the endpoints of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So how will you prove them?
Sir, I took the diameter to be AB.
Okay,
The
put the
center to
diameter to
O.
be AB.
The center to be O.
Center is O. Okay.
So the top line is EF and the bottom is CD.
EF and you took it as CD.
CD.
Okay. Okay.
So AB is perpendicular to EF and is perpendicular to CD because radius is perpendicular to the tangent.
Okay.
So I got angle EBA is 90 degrees and angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees.
Alternate
So,
interior.
alternate in directions. And so PQ is parallel to RS.
Perfect. That's it. So that keyword is alternate interior angles. That is what is expected. Next. Again, a similar kind of problem. X is equal to A secant theta cos phi, B is equal to Y is equal to B secant theta sin phi, Z is equal to C tan theta. So x square is equal to A square secant square theta cos square phi. Y square is equal to B square secant square theta sin square phi. And Z square is equal to C square tan square theta. So x square by A square is equal to cos square is equal to secant square theta cos square phi. Y square by B square is equal to secant square theta sin square phi. Z square by C square is equal to tan square theta. Okay. First of all, when you add these two, what will you get? x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to secant square theta into
sec
cos
square
square
theta.
plus sin square phi. So secant square theta is what you're going to get. Similarly, z square by c square is tan square theta. So x square by a square plus y square by b square minus z square by c square is equal to 1. Take this to the other side, it becomes 1 plus z square by c square. Got it? So x square, this thing, this secant square theta, this is tan square theta. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is a 1. So subtract both and then
Sir,
we'll get. Tell me.
sir, I have a doubt in 23rd sum, sir.
23rd. Tell me.
Sir, here we are supposed to prove AB is parallel to DC, right?
AB is parallel to DC.
Then we'll just prove it's trapezium, right?
Yes, that's it.
Sir, why can't we just prove AOB is similar to DOC and then just say
Come again, AOB is parallel to?
no? We can just prove a triangle AOB is similar to DOC, right?
Yeah.
And then we can just say angle ODC is equal to angle OBC, and then angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, and just say DC is parallel to AB,
That
right?
also you can do. You will get vertically
okay.
opposite angle. You'll say this angle and this angle are same. This angle and this angle are same.
That's also a right way, right, sir?
Right only because alternate interior, no corresponding. It will act
Okay.
like a
Sir,
transfer.
sir, I have a doubt here. How can we say that CDO is equal to
But that's what you have to tell me
OBA?
how they are going to be similar.
Sir, we need to just say angle AOB is similar to COD, and then we can just say the angles are equal, sir.
But you're saying
No, my
this
doubt
corresponding
here
angles.
is.
No, you
So
cannot
my doubt.
prove.
So my
Only,
doubt here is that we can say they're vertically opposite, but we cannot prove for the other two
That's
angles
what-
unless
that
we
is what
say
I'm
that they're parallel.
That is what I'm saying. So Mithun, how will you prove that they are same?
No,
The
sir,
sum
because
of-
we have already proved it by SAS criteria, sir. That the
எங்க
triangles are similar.
criteria எனக்கு சொல்ல எந்த
Sir,
side
it is given AO
It
by
is-
BO is
sir,
equal
it
to
is
CO
giving-
by DO. Right?
Oh,
Sir,
okay,
it is given AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, which is
Okay,
equal
then
to AO by CO is equal to BO by DO.
Yeah, then you can do that.
Yes,
If
sir.
you're going to use this identity, you can do that.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
AO by DO is equal to CO by
No, sir, AO by
AO
CO
by
is equal to
BO.
BO by DO.
AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Yes, you can do that.
Yes, sir.
Name the type of the quadrilateral formed, if any, by the points this and give reason for your answer. What is a quadrilateral formed? Find the distances.
No quadrilateral.
No quadrilateral.
No quadrilateral.
No special
Why? What is
quadrilateral.
happening?
So
Sir, no sides are equal. or
AB is
something.
root 52.
You are getting this is AB
Sir,
field here, correct order?
Root 52. Yes, sir.
Root
AB is
52,
root 52.
2 root 3.
BC is
Is-
root 13.
Root 13,
Root
huh?
13. Yes, sir.
See?
And then it's root 50 and root 85.
Okay.
So no quadrilateral.
So 17 cards number 1, 2, 3, 4 till 17 are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. One person draws a card from the box.
Sir,
find
I
the
have
box.
a doubt in the previous question.
Yeah, tell me.
Can we say it is a trapezium, sir?
How?
Like none of the sides are equal, right?
Okay.
Well, in trapezium, two sides are equal, right?
Which you will have these two sides. But not necessary. They need to be equal. You cannot state as a trapezium. So AB is root 52. No, using prime factorization, tell me how much are you? Is it not 2 root
2 root
13?
13.
What about 85?
We can't simplify it, sir. It's 17 into 5, sir. We can't.
Okay, what about 50?
5 root 2. So there's no connection between the sides, sir. That's also a special
I'm just
quadrilateral
checking.
form.
I'm just checking because here it is given AB as 2 root 13, BC is root 13, CD is root 50, BA is root 85. Then what about, we didn't check the diagonals, no? What about AC? We didn't check the diagonals, no? So what about AC? AC is root 9 plus root 2, no? Root 9 plus 4, root 13, no? What about BD? Root 16 plus 25. BD is root 41, no? So AC plus BC is equal to AB. They're collinear. Observe, no? AC plus BC is equal to AB. So we should have actually checked the diagonals also before we came to a conclusion. AC plus BC is equal to AB. So they are collinear. That is why.
Sir,
But
sir, no, what is the answer? Is there a quadrilateral formed?
no, it is not. I'm saying, see, are you trying to say just because the numbers are not matching, you mean to say quadrilateral itself cannot be formed? I'll not accept that. Because one can be long, other will be short, it will be something like this, and something like this could have happened. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
One side could have been long, other could have been short, like this. Even this is a quadrilateral. But what type of quadrilateral, which we will not know. So, since when we check for the diagonals, the points are coming out to be collinear, it cannot form a quadrilateral. Answer is, it is not a quadrilateral because the points are collinear.
So we have to prove that, right, sir? It
Yes,
is a
you have to prove that. If that was not there, it would have been some random quadrilateral which we don't even know.
Sir, but what if it was not if they were not collinear, then what should the answer be?
It should be it can be a quadrilateral, but it cannot have a specific type. That is what I'm trying to say. They asked what is the
Okay,
name the type of the quadrilateral form. I'm not saying just with the help of distances we cannot conclude that it does not form a quadrilateral at all. It can form some random quadrilateral. Need not be a regular shape is what I'm saying. Need not be a parallelogram or
yes,
anything.
sir.
Yeah. 27, 17 cards numbered 1, 2, 3 till 17 are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. One person draws a card from the box. Find the probability that the number on the card is odd.
9 by 17.
So what are the numbers? 1, 3, 5, so on till what would be the last number? 15. 17.
So this is
So 1, 2, 3. So how much is it?
9 by
17.
17.
Yeah. So 9 divided by 17. Similarly, find the probability that the number is a prime. So how many prime numbers are there?
7
One
by
is not
17.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 17. Number divisible by 3. So 3, 6, 2
5
on
by
till
17.
it is 5 by 17. Number divisible by both 3 and 2.
2 by 17.
What are the numbers? 6 and
6 and 12.
in the figure, L is parallel to M. Where is L? Okay, L is parallel to M. And the line segments AB, CD, and EF are concurrent at point P. Prove that AE divided by BF is equal to AC divided by BD is equal to CE divided by FD. So how will you prove?
So in triangle APE and triangle BPF,
Mhm.
we will get angle APE is equal to angle BPF because they're vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite. Okay.
And then angle EAP is equal to angle FBP because they're alternate interior angles. Since L is parallel to M.
So
So they
A, you
are
can
they're
say
similar.
they're similar. Similarly, you can do
Similarly, ECP is similar
here
to
and here you can
FBP.
do here and here you can prove. Yes.
Yes, sir. So then we get that AE by BF equal to AC by BD equal to C by DF.
Okay. So what are the two triangles that are similar? APC is similar to triangle BP.
BPD.
No.
And
APE is similar to triangle
BPF.
BF.
And then
So what did you write?
ECP is similar to
AP by
FBP.
AE is equal to BP by
AC
BF
by
is equal to PE divided by PF. Next, what else did we write? Next, triangle CPE is similar to triangle BP. Is similar to triangle
DPF.
So CP by DP is equal to PE by PF is equal to CE by DF. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that's what they asked us to prove, no? So PE
So
by
yes,
PF
sir.
is
Since
common.
PE by PF.
The given figure triangle ABC and triangle AMP are right angled at D and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMF. How to prove? Two angles are 90 and one angle
Angle
is common.
ABC is equal to angle AMP. Because
So one angle is common, no?
Yes, sir. Angle A is common.
So it will be AA
A
criteria.
is similarity.
So according to the AA criteria, they both are similar. Then CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP because they are already similar.
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple problem. 30th. From external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. At one point E on the circle, tangent is drawn which intersects PA and PB at C and D respectively. PA is 10 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the triangle PCD.
So AC is equal to CE.
So A, B, P. So PA and PB are two external points. O is the center. At one point E on the circle, there is a tangent drawn which intersects PA and PB at C and D. Okay, there is a point E which intersects at point C and D respectively. If PA is 10 centimeters, find the perimeter of the triangle PCD. How to solve this?
Sir,
So is it
AC
20
is equal to
centimeters?
CE and BD equal to DE.
Tell me again. PA is equal to
AC is
10
equal to
centimeters.
CE.
okay. AC is equal to CE.
And BD is equal to B. Sorry, so D.
AC is equal to CE and
BD is equal to B. D.
BD is equal to DE. Okay. Then
And then as you said, AP is equal to BP, which is equal to 10 centimeters.
AP is equal to BP. So we need PC plus CD plus DP.
So we can split that as PC plus PD plus CE plus DE.
We can split CD, sir.
So PC, how do I write this PC as?
CE plus DE.
No, can I,
No,
how
sir.
will I call this 10?
So we can just write it as PC for now.
Plus you
Then
want to
plus
split,
PC plus
PD.
ED plus CE
Sir,
plus
yes, sir.
ED.
you want to write it as
Yes, sir.
CE plus ED,
Plus
plus how
Yes,
do you
sir.
want to
And
plus
then
PD.
we
PD,
proved
sir.
in the first two steps, we'll substitute the values of CE and DE as AC and BD.
So it will be
So
PC
PC
plus
So then we
you
get
can
AP plus AB.
PC plus
I
AC
mean,
plus
plus
ED, you want to write it as BD
DB.
plus PD. So this will be
Which will be
10,
10 plus 10.
10 plus 10
yes.
will be 20.
20.
Cos theta is 12 by 13, sin theta into 1 minus tan theta is 35 by 156. So cos theta is 12 by 13, sin theta will be equal to 5 by 13. So sin theta into 1 minus tan theta is 5 by
5 by
13.
So
13
tan
into
theta
1
is 1
minus 5 by
minus
12.
5 by 12, sir.
So 5 by 13 into
7 by
7 by
12.
7 by 12.
75 by 156. Is that what they're asking us?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But you have to show the steps clearly, okay? So 32. In triangle ABC, D and E are points on AB such that AD is equal to BE. In triangle ABC, D and E are points on side AB. Oh, D and E are 2 points on side AB. Such that AD is equal to BE. So what are these points? These are the points of trisection. AD is equal to,
So not necessary.
not necessary. Yeah, we don't know what is AD. Not necessary. So AD is equal to BE. Okay, this length and this length are the same. DP, where is DP? DP is parallel to BC. So DP is parallel to BC and EQ is parallel to AC. Then prove that PQ is parallel to AB. How do we proceed?
So in triangle ABC, AD by DB equal to AP by PC due to BPT.
Come again, triangle ABC.
ABC.
AD by
by BD
is equal
is
to
equal
AP
to
by,
AP by PC
okay.
due to BPT, and BQ by QC is equal to BE by AE also due to BPT.
So BQ by QC will be equal to BE divided by
AE
EA. Okay.
due to
This is
BPT.
okay.
And then we have that EA is equal to AD plus ED. You can split it.
EA is equal to ED plus
AD plus ED.
Hmm.
And since they have given that BE is equal to AD, we can make it, we can substitute for AD and make it BE plus ED, which gives us that EA equal to BD.
1 minute. ED is equal to ED is ED only. In the place of ED, you want to replace it with BE. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that gives us AD is equal to BD.
1 minute. ED plus BE. ED plus,
Equal to BD.
sorry, ED plus BE. This is going to be BD. Okay.
Yes, sir. So from the second equation, which is BQ by
Place
QC
of
equal to
EA.
BE plus EA, yeah, we get BQ by QC equal to AD by BD.
BE you replace with AD. Yeah? BE you replace with AD.
Yes, sir.
AD by,
BD.
so BQ by QC is equal to BQ by QC is equal to AD by, okay,
BD.
is it not? Okay, yeah. So it will be
So that
converse.
gives us. Yes, sir. So from the converse, we can say that.
So
it
from the
is parallel
converse, you
to
can
AB.
say that PQ is parallel
PQ is
to.
parallel to AB.
So in the given figure, a circle is inscribed in a triangle, touches the sides AB, BC, and CA at points D, E, and F respectively. If AB is equal to 14 centimeter, if AB is equal to 14, BC is equal to 8, and CA is equal to 12, find the lengths AD, BE, and CF. Again, the same logic from an external point.
So AD is 9 centimeters.
So how do you get it? If I take this as X and
So
this
let's
as X, this will be Y, this will be Y. This will be Z, this will be Z, right? So X plus Y is 14, Y plus Z is 12, and X plus Z is 8, right? So when you subtract both, you will get Y minus X is equal to 4. So Y plus X is 14, Y minus X is 4, add both, 2Y is equal to 18, Y is equal to 9. Is this right? So this will be 9, this will be 9. So how much will this be? This will be 5, this will be 5,
3.
this will be 3, and this will be 3. I hope everybody understood. Prove that 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square. So first let's prove these two. So 1 plus tan square A means, can I write it as cos square A plus sin square A? Okay, you directly wrote it. It is secant square A
by cosec square A.
by cosecant square A. So secant square A is 1 by cos square A.
So
Cosecant
that
square
gives
A
us
is sin square A. This will give us tan square A.
sin square A by cos square A is tan square A.
Yes, correct. So now you can prove these two. 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A, the whole square.
1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A by 1 plus cot
1
square A
plus tan
minus 2
square
cot
A
A.
minus 2 tan A by 1 plus cot square A minus 2 cot
Cot
A.
A.
1 plus tan square A is secant square A.
Sec square A
Secant
minus
square
2
A
tan A
minus 2 tan A by
by
cosec
cosec
square A
square
minus
minus
2
2
cot
cot
A.
A.
Minus 2.
Then cot A. Then we get sec square A minus 2 tan A by cosec square A minus. Oh, no, sir, sorry. We get 1 by cos square A minus 2 sin A by cos A.
Okay.
Divided by 1 by sin square A minus 2 cos A by sin A.
So you can multiply this with sin A. This will become sin square. You multiply this with cos A. This will become cos square. So you'll get 1 minus 2 sin A cos A
By
by
cos square A
cos square A by 1 minus 2
into
sin A cos
sin square A by, yes, sir.
by sin square A. This and this will get cancelled. You will get tan square A. Correct. Okay. I hope everybody understood, no?
Yes, sir.
So AD and PM are the medians of a triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. You have ABC, AD is median. You have triangle PQR, PM is the median. Okay. Prove that AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. So how to do that?
So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, they have given us that it's similar. So we can say that angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. And that
Angle A is
AB by
equal to angle B.
PQ,
Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Correct? Right?
yes,
So
sir.
that's what they're told. They are similar. Okay.
So and then AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR.
But what is BC?
So we can substitute it as BC by 2.
No. BC is BD
Yes,
by 2,
sir.
no?
So no, sir. BC is BD into 2. So we can substitute for BD as BC by 2
2BD divided by,
divided by 2QM.
okay.
So we get that AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. And then we
But they
can
asked
say that,
AD by PM, no?
sir, yes, sir. So then we can say that because angle ABD is equal to angle PQM
Mhm.
and AB by PQ equal to BD by QM, we can say that
They can
triangle
say angle
ABD
D is equal
is
to
similar
angle A.
to triangle PQM.
Yes,
And then we can say that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM.
that's right. So you can again, since the ratios are going to be the same, you can say that the angles are going to be the same in the other two triangles, hence they are similar. I hope everybody wrote this. Next. See, this one, there was a diagram shared yesterday. Did you all see that?
Yes, sir.
So have the diagram and tell me what is the answer.
So first one is 9 units.
1 minute, I'm opening. I don't have the diagram. So 1 minute.
So the answer is there in the diagram itself.
One minute. Tell me.
The first one is 9 units.
Distance Q from the y-axis. So distance Q from the y-axis is 9. What are the coordinates of point U? So what are the coordinates of point
8
U?
and 2.
8 root
8 comma 2.
So 8.
The distance
7
between the
units.
points.
7 units, sir.
The distance between the points PQ is 9 minus 2, which is going to be 7. If the point x comma y is equidistant, if the point x comma a x comma y, where is it? Is equidistant from R and P. Okay, suppose I take x comma y to be equidistant from R and P, then what will be the distance? So what is the value of R? 3, 8. What is the value of P? 3, 2. So y minus 8 the whole square is equal to y minus 2 the whole square. So y minus 8 is equal to y minus 2 is what I'm getting. So because y minus 8 the whole square plus x minus 3 the whole square is equal to y minus 2 the whole square plus x minus 3 the whole square. They both get cancelled. So y minus 8 is equal to y minus 2. What is it? How can y minus 2 be 0? Or
Sir, I just skipped this sum at the last one, sir. They just asked 4.
Sir,
I
I
think
didn't do this.
no. I think there are the options are wrong. Okay. What problem is 36? So.
Sir, I wrote C for this.
No, it should actually work. Y minus 5 is 0 is correct only. I think because y square plus, see when you do y minus 8 is equal to, you should write plus or minus y minus 2. Okay. So y minus 8 is equal to y minus 2 if you take, doesn't make sense. Y
So
minus 8
directly
is
from the figure itself we can derive, sir.
2y is equal to where? 2y is equal to 10. So y is 5. Y minus 5 is, this is the correct answer. From figure, what will you tell? How will you tell? Oh, you will say this is the y is 5.
Yeah, y
that's
is 5, so y minus
Oh,
5.
sorry. Correct. So perimeter of the image of the rectangular faces.
14 units.
So how much is where?
So which one should we consider, sir?
So
Whichever
all three
rectangle
are the same.
you will get the same, whichever you consider.
Okay.
You take this one. So 7 into this one will be 2. So it's 14. Because here they asked only area. No?
So how is it
No,
7?
they asked a perimeter, no? Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir, it is 5 and 2
This is 5. This is
and 2.
2. So 2 into 7, that will give you 14. And I thought it's area.
Yes.
Area also is wrong. I had that 7, no? That this was 7, right? I took that into consideration. Sorry. But yeah, 14 is right answer. So there is no mistake here. Everything is right. 37. Two friends, Mohit and Ankit, have some savings in their piggy bank. They decide to count the total coins they both had. After counting, they found that they have 50 1 rupee coins and 48 2 rupee coins, 36 5 coins, and 28 10 coins, and 8 20 coins. Now they said to Girish, their other friend, to choose a coin randomly, find the probability that the coin chosen is 5 rupee coins. So how much is the total coin
18
they
by
had?
85. 170.
So 50 plus 48 plus 36 plus 28 plus 8. How much is this coming to?
170.
170.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Somebody's mic is on. Please switch it off. So it should be 5 rupee coin is 36 divided by 170. No, how much is the answer?
18 by 85. Option C.
18 by 85. 20.
8 by 170, which is 4 by 85. Option B.
4 by 85.
85. Option B.
No.
So B.
Option. Not a 10 coin. So first find.
142 by 170.
Yeah, first find how many 10 coins are there. 28.
28.
No. So 170 minus 28.
142.
142.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 142 divided by 170 should be the answer.
71 by 85. Option D.
Yes. Of denomination of at least 10. So at least 10 means
10 and 20.
10 and 20. So 10 and 20 put together are 30.
36.
So 36 out
36
of
by
170.
170. 18 by
Which is
85. Option
by
A.
8. Yes, of denomination of at most 5. At most 5 means 1, 2 and 5. So 150, 48, 98. 98 plus 36 is 98 plus 36. 134. So 134 divided by 170. So what 134 by 170 is 67 by 85. The last problem, 38. So Arun's house in the main market is okay. The pole was getting a band and was disturbing the traffic on the road. BSES was informed by the father of Arun and was requested to solve the issue. The pole was changed and to prevent further banding of the pole. Supporting wire was fixed. The supporting wire was fixed 4 meters away from the pole. Okay. The wire is making an angle 60 degrees with the ground. What is the height of the pole? The height is how much?
3 meters. Option C.
H by 4 is tan 60. So H will be equal to 4/3. Next.
Option C.
What is the length of the
8
wire?
meters. 8 meters.
So 4 divided by x is equal to half. So x will be 8. How did I get half? Sin 30, no? So x will be 8. So what is the area of the triangle ABC? Half into base
Sir, I
into
think
height.
the options are wrong.
So half into 4 root 3 into 4, they get cancelled. 8 root 3 should be the answer. No option is there.
Yes, sir, no option.
Okay, marks. What is the question number?
38, third question.
So 38, third question. Marks to be awarded. What is the value of tan 60? Simple, root 3. What is
Root
the value
three.
of cos 60? Root cos 60 is half. Actually, you could have no need to do third one. Fourth and fifth will be the answer. It's simple, right? That's it. Okay. So question number 4, 5, 16, and 38, third question, you will get marks. Apart from that, everything else is fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's it, guys. 1 minute. Don't bite. Don't leave. 4 of you are there. Okay, we'll wind up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.